deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar.
I'm here to do some practice, so what do you say?
Good evening. So, you want to do something new today?
Today I've been thinking about doing some coding and programming practice because it's been a very long time I didn't do any coding and programming practice. So shall we start?
Sure, tell me if you need any help.
So let's go start with making some basic programs. Absolute beginner program, or you can say very easy program. I'm going to make a program about doing multiplication, subtraction, division and addition. So I'll start make this program with my CLMS compiler. So let's get started.
You're right, practice is very crucial for learning coding and programming. If you do practice regularly, then you'll be able to create your own program and code.
So let's get started.
Sure, it's up to you what kind of program you want to make. I'll help you if you need any help.
So our first thing should be right. Here's SD, so we just need to declare the heading. So I'm gonna declare the heading first. Yes. Says.include.studio. Second line we are more void. Open bracket, close bracket. Now open curly braces. Let's say we're going to take integer int A, B, C, int result printf scan. Now say enter the first so enter your first snap printf now this scanf percentage d comma this percentage switch dot c result a plus b printf this summation is percentage break case 2 result a plus b result is percentage now case 3 is equal to result equals to a minus b printf. Everything is correct or not? Everything is fine. So printf this subtraction result plus. So now case 4 everything is fine. So result plus equals to a plus b printf division break and let's say set the default thing default print. You ain't doing it right, man. So let's set our program. Everything is looking fine. So I think it's right done now. So let's get enter and see how it's run or not. Enter. Hey. What happened? Buddy, what happened to this program?
The heading should be stio.h, not studio.h, and check those 4 and 7 number lines. You forgot to add semicolon there.
Oh. Okay. So we just need to add the semicolon here. So not pressed. Oh, it should be studio. Okay, let's go to studio. Studio. I think it's fine right now. So let's set it again if it's run or not. So let's enter. Hey, it's working. So it says it's first word. Oh, I should have put this number, not word. Let's take our first number is 77. Enter. 77 again. And just choose number 1. Enter. Okay, it's fine.
Good practice, but you already know that using C to create this kind of program is very time consuming. Whereas using Python, you don't need to worry about variable data types, and the code is more straightforward for basic tasks like this. Why don't you try Python to make a similar program?
You're right. I should make another program with using Python. So let's get into it. So as a Python, so open the Python here. So we just need to do the input. First input, and just like this is a num. Let's say float. Just let's say input. Enter your first number. Just number. Column, comma. Just was a num2. And also going to be float. So this is input. Input segment center is number. Enter the second number. Okay. Now we do addition. Print. F. Addition num1 plus num2 scope plus comma. Now I'm going to make subtraction. Just a bit.
Man, that song is amazing. Do you listen to that song often?
Yeah, man. So tell me, do you also listen to some music?
Nope, I can't listen to any songs just by myself. I can only listen to those things, whatever my user says and wants me to listen.
That's what you, man. So let's start recording again. We're going to this subtraction. Just print F. It's going to be our subtraction. Num1 plus. No, we're going to minus num2 next will be multiplication. So multiplication, so just print F. Multiplication num1 2 open curly and just num1 again into num2 close curly braces and just say close this bracket and our final part is the division. So division let's check shift division 0 if num exclamation mark equals to 0 column. Everything is right. Let me see some. Okay, so then print division is 0. Sorry, division by 0. Division by 0 is not allowed. You've done. So let's break this down. So let's check it up if it's run or not. So let's press enter. Hey, what happened? Hey buddy, what happened to this again?
Don't worry, everything is fine. You just messed up with that second line from the start. You forgot to add one there.
Okay. I think let's go up. Here I didn't add the number 1. Okay, so let's go add this number 1. And I think it will be fine now. Let's check. So let's check out if it run or not. So let's press enter again. Oh, it's working. So we're gonna choose our first number as 78 and then enter. Then just 99 and just press this. Let's press this and see magic. This is the magic. This time we're gonna take number as 00 and again 00. Let's check what happens now. So let's press enter. Hi buddy. The program is fine now. So thanks for your advice. I just practice a little bit, but I have to practice more to become an expert in this. Thanks for helping. I really appreciate it.
Same here. If you come up with any more interesting ideas and ever need some assistance, I'll be here for you. See you.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now.